Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to trade meme coins with zero point 0.2 Solana, or in general, a small Solana balance. You can see here, I've just deposited 0.2 Solana into Nova, and I'm now going to begin trading meme coins and finding the best opportunities with you live in today's video. Really not even going to do any edits, just going to be a straight cut. And let's actually go ahead and search. So don't forget to actually check the link for Nova in this video description. You'll get a huge 20% cash back on all of your trading fees. So even on a trade where you lose small, you actually profit because of this cashback system. So don't forget to use that link in the video description. And now here I'm focusing on the Cosmo tab. And I actually showed you in yesterday's video, probably the best video I've ever made on my YouTube channel. I actually showed you all the specific filters that I do use. So I'm not going to go over that right now. It would be much better for you to go back and actually understand that video. Now, what I'm now waiting for is meme coins in the newly created to soon to graduate section. And they have to have this community symbol right here because there's multiple different symbols. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, this is a profile. This one is just based on Pump Fund Launch, and this particular coin is a community coin, and it's the type of coin that I'm actually looking to trade. So as soon as I do see a community coin pop up, this is going to be the one that I'm going to open up and at least dive much further into. So the first thing that I will do on a community coin is just scroll down to this top 10% of holders section, or top 10 holders section. And what I want to be looking at is this particular top section bundled? And we can already see that this wallet is bundled by, we can see 15 wallets found with 0.85 Solana. So these 1, 2, and 3 BitGet wallets are funded together. Actually, and it also looks like these two that are 1 month old are funded together. And we can tell by the actual trade amount of Solana being all the same. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the same. And then when we also see another one with Gate.io, 0.1, another one, 0.1. So this is a bundled coin. So as much as it's a community coin and a few other sections, well, actually, this first check has actually failed. There we go. I just brought in the side angle. So fortunately, this won't be a particular meme coin that I will be trading. We do have to be a little bit patient. And now we'll wait for the opportunities to present themselves. I'll actually show you, say, on this opportunity, this is a profile meme coin. So we'll just show you while I'm actually waiting for more community coins to pop up. So you will find that when you're trading meme coins, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be sitting here, you're going to be waiting for the newly created and soon to graduate coins. And if you really do actually want to be profitable, well, you have to be waiting for the best opportunities. You can't just open up every opportunity that is popping up on your newly created or soon tab. Really need to filter and make sure you're only getting into the best opportunities. So even here, we can see this particular coin. When we actually scroll down and look at the funding, well, look, all the wallets basically funded exactly the same. See this one, 3, this 1.45. Definitely looks like a bundled token, but not only that, this is a profile meme coin and not one that we want to be trading. As I mentioned, yesterday's video really goes over every aspect of that. It's basically a full meme coin tutorial, a full trading guide. So we do have to be a little bit patient here, and we can just stay and just wait. It's showing right now is maybe not the most lively time, but the best thing is I've got the best filters here on Nova, so I don't need to worry about any of my filters. Just need to be patient, even open up a YouTube video on the side, sit on my hands, and just keep coming over and glancing at when a community coin pops up. And then when that opportunity presents itself, then we dive further and we do those checks that I mentioned. So right now, there's no opportunities. I'm not going to get into this particular, even though it's a community coin, it's not going to be the one that I'm interested in. We can actually look into the community. So let's dive further into the community, and then I can actually go over the actual trading strategy that I would use if this particular coin wasn't bundled. So let's just have a look at the community first. So the actual contract address isn't in the bio, so I don't like that. The contract address is pinned, so that's great. And then we would need to scroll through and see if there is some lively action right here. It doesn't look like there's any live action other than the overall admin. So definitely not particular coin that I'm interested in, but let's say it was. What I'd really be looking for is a strong ride up. So we just saw here that we went from that initial 5,000 market cap to around that 30,000 market cap. So that's really, really strong. Seeing a really big 6x in the market. That's exactly what I would want to see. But then I want to see about a 50% retracement. So something to around this 18 to 15,000 market cap. And then that would be my entry. So I'm really looking for those quick 40 to 60% dips, but ensuring I am in the correct type of coin, the correct coin with the right 10% of holders, not bundled. So that's really the strategy, is to just wait and actually be patient, wait for the right coin to pop up. Then when it does pop up, wait for it to initially show a strong amount of volume, of strength. And then we actually capture our opportunity when we see a strong dip in the market. And then even if we just want to sell back at, let's say it dipped into this region, we just sell a decent portion back at old all-time highs, let's say around 70%. That would allow us basically to break even on the trade. And then we can leave basically 30% as a moon bag to say, okay, if it was to reach, this migration price or even higher, then okay, we'd actually have a moon bag and we'd be able to capture a portion of that opportunity. So that's really the entire strategy. Now we just need to be patient and wait for the right opportunity to present itself. As I mentioned, I really could be jumping in and out of all of these coins. We could open this one and just jump in just for the sake of it, but it really wouldn't make any sense in terms of a long-term profitable trading strategy, because sure, I might be able to make money on one single trade, but the goal is to be able to make money over hundreds of trades, because I'm not just going to be taking one meme coin trade here on Nova. I'm going to be taking, tens of trades a day, hundreds of trades a day, even a week. So I really need to ensure that my overall trading strategy is sound and what I'm doing actually works in these current market times. So these are some current opportunities. Just quickly, actually just checking if they are bundled, which are some of them looks like they are. Definitely not any opportunity I want to take advantage of. One thing I can also mention with these graduated coins, I actually don't have any filters currently on the graduated, because I'm looking to really take advantage of these newly created and soon to graduate coins, because currently how the market has been trading is the best way is to get into these early market cap coins at 5, 10, 15,000 after an initial dip, and then ride it to their migration price or around that 100K market cap. It's really changed from about a year ago. I've been trading meme coins for nearly 2 years now. It's completely changed, because back then we could grab coins at 100, 200, even 300,000 market cap and watch them ride up to 1 million and multiple millions in market cap. But we're really not seeing that now. We're seeing a lot of runners hitting 50, 100K, even 250K, but we're not seeing those multi-million runners every single day like we used to. So this is really the new strategy, especially in late of 2025 and moving into early 2026. This will definitely be working, but we could even see a shift in the market, and that's why this opportunity or this trading strategy works really, really well right now. And as you can see, I'm just waiting for opportunities while I'm speaking with you. Nothing's really presenting itself. No community coins are worthwhile in this market. We can actually keep our eyes on this Keball, keep an eye on it, and just, I guess, sort of show you why it's not an opportunity you'd want to get into. Even let's scroll down and see the current trades. What trades coming through? So the last trade was actually 13 minutes ago. So basically no volume right here. It's basically a dead coin overall. So let's just see. It looks like there's not that much volume. It's probably, actually looking at the time, it's not an extremely busy time in the US. A lot of the times the best time to be trading is the US time zone. Might have to come back, go to the gym, come back. All my filters will be here. All my filters will be saved. And then we'd be able to take advantage of more opportunities. I guess that's the best thing about this strategy is that we can come back to the market every hour or every couple of hours and see what opportunities are presenting themselves at that time. Again, sitting on your hands can be super profitable because if I was to force a trade right now, I could get myself caught in a bundled coin, or I could just be finding myself in suboptimal opportunities. I want to be looking for A opportunities, not C or even B opportunities. Really want to be looking for that top tier, especially when we can sit here and potentially take hundreds of trades in a day if there is enough opportunities. So what I'll do is I'll sign off right now. I'll be sitting here for another 10, 20, maybe even 30 minutes, and I'll see if any more opportunities present themselves. If they do, I'll actually re-record. I'll put the recording back on, and then I'll show you some live trades. I really wanted to take some trades today, but it looks like there was nothing that I can do here without opportunities presenting themselves. I really want to do more live trading, so that's going to be something you'll see a lot more on my channel. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. I'll be making a lot more meme coin content. I'll see you in the next video.